Get ready to dive into an epic showdown between the Vivo X300 Pro and the Google Pixel 10 Pro. The Vivo stuns with a massive 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display pushing 4500 nits peak brightness and Zeiss optics, while the Pixel 10 Pro boasts a sharper 6.3-inch LTPO OLED with a blazing 495 ppi density and ultra-wideband tech. Which phone dominates in display, camera prowess, performance, battery life, and unique features? Can the Vivo's gigantic battery and advanced imaging chip outshine Google's AI-powered Tensor G5 and satellite SOS? Or will the Pixel's refined zoom and premium glass build steal the crown? Let's break it all down and settle the debate. Is sheer power or smart innovation the future of flagship phones? The Vivo X300 Pro leads with a larger 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display offering an astonishing peak brightness of 4500 nits and Dolby Vision support, making it perfect for vivid outdoor viewing and HDR content immersion. In contrast, the Pixel 10 Pro's 6.3-inch LTPO OLED delivers a higher pixel density, some 495 ppi, and smooth adaptive refresh rates but peaks at 3300 nits. Vivo's display also features dual PWM and DC dimming for eye comfort, while Pixel adds always-on display and ultra-thin glass protection. The Vivo's sheer size and brightness make it the winner for stunning visual impact and usability in bright environments. Under the hood, Vivo X300 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset with a powerful octa-core CPU including a 4.21 GHz ultra-core, delivering blazing performance and efficiency on a 3nm process. The Pixel 10 Pro runs Google's own Tensor G5, also 3nm, optimized for AI and computational photography, with a unique octa-core setup focusing on balanced power and smart processing. Vivo's chipset edges out in raw CPU clock speed, ideal for gaming and multitasking, while Google's Tensor shines in AI-driven tasks and security. Vivo packs in a V1 imaging chip, advanced V3 Plus computational photography, SEPA 5.5 stabilization, and a universal signal amplifier for superior connectivity, plus a telephoto teleconverter kit and satellite connectivity support. Pixel counters with Titan M2 security coprocessor, ultra-wideband UWB support, satellite SOS service, AI Gemini Nano, spatial audio, and conversational editing features. Vivo focuses on imaging innovation and connectivity, while Pixel doubles down on security, spatial sound, and smart AI tools. The Vivo X300 Pro impresses with a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens offering 3.7x optical zoom and a massive 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, enabling detailed and stabilized shots. The Pixel 10 Pro's main camera is a 50-megapixel wide lens paired with a 48-megapixel periscope boasting 5x optical zoom, delivering superior zoom reach and versatility. Video-wise, Vivo supports 8K at 30 FPS and 4K up to 120 FPS with Dolby Vision HDR, while Pixel offers 8K and 4K video with gyro EIS and OIS. Pixel's zoom capabilities and optical stabilization make it a powerhouse for telephoto shots. Vivo's camera system features a focus tracking engine, laser autofocus, Zeiss optics coating, and advanced color processing with hybrid HDR, enhancing clarity and zoom performance. Pixel offers multi-zone laser AF, pixel shift, Ultra HDR, ProRes zoom up to 100x, real-time camera coach guidance, and intelligent object removal. Pixel's software-driven zoom and editing tools elevate photography beyond hardware, making it ideal for creative users. Vivo X300 Pro boasts a massive 6510 Ah silicon-carbon lithium-ion battery, promising longer endurance for heavy users and gamers. Pixel 10 Pro has a smaller 4870 Ah Li-ion battery, which is more modest but optimized with Tensor's efficiency. Vivo's battery advantage is clear for those who prioritize all-day power without compromise. Vivo uses glass front and back with an aluminum alloy frame, while Pixel 10 Pro upgrades to Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both front and back with an aluminum frame, offering enhanced durability and premium feel. Pixel's use of Victus 2 glass gives it an edge in scratch resistance and drop protection. Both phones come with IP68 dust and water resistance, but Vivo adds IP69 rating, making it dust-tight and resistant to high-pressure water jets, a plus for rugged use. Pixel's water resistance is solid but lacks the extra IP69 certification, favoring everyday protection. Vivo offers configurations from 256GB with 12GB RAM up to 1TB with 16GB RAM, catering to heavy multitaskers and storage needs. Pixel starts at 128GB with 16GB RAM and goes up to 1TB with 16GB, consistently providing high RAM but less base storage. Vivo's wider RAM and storage options appeal to power users. Vivo X300 ranges from $750 to $950, undercutting the Pixel 10 Pro's $999 starting price. This makes Vivo a compelling value proposition with flagship specs at a lower cost, challenging Google's premium pricing. Vivo highlights Ultra HDR image support and scratch drop-resistant glass with Zeiss T.